What a treat. All right, so I got my octopus.
You know, discovering street food around the world give me the most joy out of traveling. If you want to taste the soul of Seoul, South Korea, start here. Namdaemun isn't just a market. It is a living, breathing food museum.
All right, so I got my octopus. They garnish it with some sort of dried fish or dried seafood. Usually they put it, same garnish, they put it in top of okonomiyaki in Japan, so I know I'm familiar with that. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite out of this bad boy. Look at that, look at that. You can taste the crispy edges and the soft interior. You can taste the sea. It's so delicious. I'm gonna take another bite here. It's so good. You know, like a squid texture. What set this apart is how scorching gas stove. And you rub it with that butter to keep it moist inside, so it's not dry. What a treat. Cheers.